Hi, this is Neil of Team Teacher, teaching, living and raising a family in China. Today we're looking at the Pokemon version 1 PowerPoint Baam game. Let's check it out. This Pokemon English PowerPoint game is made by Sprite06 of the Weigoop forum, and we'll put a link in the comment section below the video for you to check out and get your copy. The home screen is a whole bunch of Pokeballs with letters on them. You choose a
Pikachu
and answer a question.
Pikachu
You answer that question correctly, you click on the Pokeball. Click on the Pokeball. You receive a Pokemon and experience points, which denotes the amount of points that the students receive. Go back to the home screen, you click on the Pokemon English text. Sometimes there are special events. So this one you have to choose which color Pokeball. Special Pokemon and lots of points. Or
the time has come to shatter this clockwork universe forever. Let us no longer be slaves of the hourglass. I warn you, those who do not embrace this greater path shall become victims of its passive.
you choose where you save your points. Or well, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please feel free to subscribe and like to our channels. Check out the comment section below for a copy of your PPT download game. Thanks. Bye.